As pilots get more experience, you'd think flying gets safer and maintenance gets easier. But that's not always true. In fact, many senior pilots develop habits that slowly damage their aircraft without even realizing it. From overlooked pre-flight checks to outdated flying techniques, small mistakes can turn into big repair bills or dangerous situations. Today, we're breaking down the 11 biggest mistakes senior pilots make that can quietly wreck their planes. If you want to protect your aircraft, fly safer, and avoid thousands in unnecessary repairs, this video might save you more than just money. Let's get into it. Number 1. Skipping thorough pre-flight inspections. One of the most common and dangerous mistakes senior pilots make is assuming experience can replace a proper pre-flight. Many have flown the same aircraft for years, so they start to trust the machine instead of verifying its condition. But aging planes hide aging problems. Loose cowling screws, worn hinges, low brake fluid, frayed cables, fuel contamination, or unnoticed bird nests in inlets. Even a small oversight can lead to catastrophic in-flight failures. A thorough, unhurried walk-around, checking fuel caps, control surfaces, tire condition, static ports, and oil levels prevents 90% of mechanical issues. The habit may feel repetitive, but it's a lifesaver, especially as aircraft age and parts fatigue. 2. Rushing takeoff without engine warm-up. Many senior pilots underestimate the importance of slow, patient warm-up, especially in colder climates. Older engines need proper oil circulation to reach safe operating viscosity. Taking off too early strains the crankshaft, increases metal-on-metal wear, and can trigger premature cylinder failure. Carbureted engines are particularly sensitive. Skipping warm-up risks icing, rough running, and power loss right after rotation. A minute or two might feel like a delay, but it dramatically extends engine life and reduces unexpected repairs. 3. Flying with outdated or incomplete maintenance logs. Paperwork may seem administrative, but missing entries can hide serious mechanical issues. Senior pilots often assume previous owners or mechanics kept everything updated, only to discover out-of-date AD compliance, skipped inspection items, or undocumented repairs. Incomplete logs increase the risk of flying an airframe with unresolved structural fatigue, corrosion, or recurring mechanical defects. This mistake not only jeopardizes safety, it severely reduces aircraft resale value and complicates insurance claims. 4. Ignoring changing physical and cognitive limits. Experience is priceless, but flying while fatigued, slower to react, or less aware of workload changes can lead dangerous oversights. Senior pilots sometimes overestimate their ability to multitask under pressure or respond quickly to anomalies like engine roughness, wind shear, or instrument failures. The mistake isn't aging, it's refusing to adjust flying habits. Using autopilot earlier, flying with co-pilots, avoiding marginal weather, or reducing long solo flights can dramatically improve safety without sacrificing enjoyment. 5. Underestimating density, altitude, and runway performance. Many pilots trained at lower elevations decades ago, but today often fly into hot, high, or short backcountry strips. Mistakes happen when performance charts are ignored or old intuition replaces calculation. High-density altitude robs the engine of power, increases takeoff roll, and reduces climb-out capability, especially dangerous in fully loaded or older aircraft. Senior pilots sometimes trust habits from sea-level flying, not realizing the physics change dramatically. Proper performance planning prevents runway overruns, stall accidents, and overloaded departures. 6. Pushing old engines too hard. Older engines with worn cylinders, tired valve guides, and aged seals require gentler handling. Yet many pilots still climb aggressively, run max RPM too long, or lean aggressively at high power. This stresses an engine already closer to its limits, accelerating wear and risking detonation, stuck valves, or catastrophic failure. Engine preservation flying, smooth throttle transitions, conservative climb power, careful CHT monitoring can extend engine life by hundreds of hours. 7. Neglecting corrosion and hidden airframe fatigue. Corrosion is the silent killer of older aircraft, especially those stored near coastlines or outdoors. Senior pilots often rely on visual inspection alone without opening panels or checking high-risk areas like spars, ribs, and control cable anchors. But internal corrosion and metal fatigue rarely show on the surface, and they can lead to structural failures mid-flight. Regular detailed inspections and climate-controlled storage prevent these hidden risks from becoming deadly surprises. Number 8. Overloading the aircraft or ignoring weight and balance. With more gear, grandkids, pets, or camping supplies, senior pilots sometimes push the aircraft close to or beyond limits. Overloading shortens takeoff distance, reduces climb rate, and increases stall speed, deadly in high-density altitude conditions. Shifting CG too far aft makes the aircraft harder to control and easier to stall during flare. Weight and balance must be recalculated every time, not estimated. A few extra minutes on the ground prevent a lifetime of consequences. 9. Flying into weather. They should avoid. The biggest mistake isn't lacking skill, it's relying on past experience from a younger era. Senior pilots sometimes continue flying in marginal VFR, low ceilings, or unexpected IMC, thinking they can handle it like before. But weather today is more volatile, and older reflexes, slower scan rates, and outdated avionics make IFR-like situations extremely hazardous. More conservative weather minimums and earlier diversion decisions dramatically reduce risk. 10. Mismanaging fuel, especially with aging fuel systems. Fuel exhaustion and mismanagement remain top accident causes, and older aircraft often have quirky gauges, uneven tank feeding, or subtle venting issues. Senior pilots sometimes rely on gauges instead of time, burn rate, and fuel planning. Long holding patterns, unexpected headwinds, or extended taxi delays can create dangerous fuel margins. Using timers, verifying burn calculations, and sticking to strict reserve limits prevent engine failures that surprise even experienced aviators. 11. Letting bad habits become normal over time. The final mistake is subtle but deadly: complacency. Longtime pilots sometimes normalize shortcut habits, minimal checklists, casual radio work, or skipping systems checks. What once felt like a minor efficiency becomes a deeply embedded routine, and that routine eventually meets the wrong set of circumstances. Aviation punishes complacency harshly. Re-embracing checklists, recurrent training, and disciplined cockpit habits keeps senior pilots sharp, confident, and far safer in the air.